Hi, I'm Bushi, and I'm guitarist, lead, rhythm. I've been playing for the last 35 years now. My favorite style is, I'm versatile. Blues, reggae, jazz. I like it, I play it.
Yeah.
Anything, any kind of music.
Love is all I see. Give thanks to the Almighty God. He showed me what I am.
My favorite reggae song, I would say, is some of Bob Marley's, some of Dennis Brown, and many. Definitely glad to be part of it. I like what's going on. Brilliant idea. Yes. And I'm sure it will. Some of the guys here I've known for over 30 years, so we know each other pretty well. And yes, good project.